Okay guys, good morning or good evening or even afternoon, depending on where you are watching this video from. Today's tutorial we're going to be dealing with how to create AI chatbot using without any code. So basically you can create AI chatbot using without any code. So all you have to do is type in Zapier AI, and as you've seen, I've typed in Zapier AI and I'll log in. So basically I'll just create account on Zapier. So let's create on login. So I've clicked on logins, it's loading already. So there's this prompt to create account, so I'll use my Google account to sign up using my Gmail. So it's loading. Yeah, basically with Zapier you can do a lot of stuff. You can integrate it to your website and stuff, create tables and Gmail. So basically I'll choose my account. So why creating the account on Zapier? Zapier will ask you many questions, and those questions you are going to answer them based on what type of user you are. So I'll continue. So basically the website Zapier, it has is a very good AI. So it's onboarding me. So it's asking me what roles am I using, what is my role. So I'm basically I'm a business owner. And then what's the company size? So my company size would be is a minimum size. So I should choose between 1 to 49. So basically it's asking me this kind of question, what I'll do. So I'll skip this question. I'll love to skip it. So based on the interfaces, I've I've answered the question. So this is basically the Zapier. Yeah, this is the entire interface of Zapiers. So you can choose to buy the premium, or you can use the free mode. The free mode you can also use it for to create the AI chatbot. So there are different uh, pages on the website. So this is basically for the purpose of this tutorial we're going to be dealing with the create a login page which basically is how to create AI chatbot on Zapier. So we are going to create on click on create. So then there are zaps, there are tables, there are interfaces, there are AI there are chatbot, there is canvas chatbot. So basically we are going to be using these chatbot betas. So I click on chatbot betas. It's loading. As you can see, it's loading. So this is now a prompt. A prompt appear. Okay, what is the AI you are trying to create? What's the chatbot you are going to? Let's say I operate a business. I'm a business owner already. So I operate a business, and the name of my business is Amo Enterprise. Yeah, that's the name of my business. It's Amo Enterprise Services. Amo Enterprise Services. So this is the name of my company. So basically the AI is about uh, assistant, a chatbot that will assist my customer. So I'll click on create. So it's building my chatbot. The chatbot is going to be built in a few seconds. So basically the AI, this is the AI now basically. So you are going to instruct the AI on how to do. So I've told you how to create AI without coding. In 5 minutes you are done with creating your AI chatbot. So basically this is this interface, the entire interface here, like here where I've highlighted, is the back end. So as for some of you that are familiar with programming or coding, you know what back end means. And then this entire place is called the front end. Yes, this is the front end of the AI chatbot. So, but we're going to be working. The first thing you do is work with the backend. Then the user mostly use the front end, which is the user interface. So basically, we're going to be instructing our AI. So we have instructions, we have knowledge, we also have logic, we have themes, we have integrations, we have settings, we have conversation analytics, and all of you. So we are going to be leveraging on this. We are going to learn all of them serially, and then we'll create our first AI chatbot without coding, which is amazing, right? So basically, these are the instructions, the pop-up. So we are going to be using it. This I've told you earlier, this is our backend. So we are going to work on the backend to be able to allow our users to use the front end. So basically, the the question now is is going to provide some certain instructions to this chatbot AI on Zapier to allow you to be able to execute the whatever questions or answers the user need when it's prompted your AI chatbot. So basically, the name of the company, as I've told you earlier, I'm going to be editing it. So the name of my company is I told you Amo Enterprise, right? Amo Enterprise Services, Amo Enterprise Services. Enterprise Services. So Amo Enterprise. So this is the name of my company. It's Amo Enterprise Services. So basically, so after having named my enterprise or my company or my AI chatbot, then I'll be giving you some brief descriptions, so brief descriptions of how my company is. That is to say, basically what people will be asking the AI about your company, what you offer, the nature of business or project you you engage on the on your line of business. It could be maybe yours could be different thing apart from my own business. I leverage on printing pressed. So I basically printing and providing digital services to people. So basically I've typed it and then I've copied it. So I don't need to be typing again to save our time. I'll just paste it here. What I've copied based on my line of business. So I've typed it. So basically this is what I've copied and typed. I say Amo Enterprise. We are trusted partner for color printing, graphic designs, and digital services. By Anyangwa Oyose Matthew, popularly known as Oyo Matani, the boy with the largest cafe online. So basically, these are the instructions I've given, and what we offer quality products and stuff like that. All these things are the prompts we're going to be giving our AI. So basically, and this is instructions again. These instructions keep the AI control. It keeps it in controls. So basically, your style, the style of communication, the style should have the AI have been instructed to communicate style should be friendly, professional. Use structure formatting, including bulleting, bolding, and use structure formatting and header, emojis, and messages. So other rules should be for any user. Always query your knowledge source, even if you think so. You can read the instructions, and if there are need for modification, you can also go ahead and modify it based on, because I've told you this is how to create AI without coding. It's mind blowing, right? Let's proceed. So after you type all this, then you can choose. So this is greeting. It should be static or generated. So I usually go with static, which is best for this AI chatbot. So you can, this is the first prompt, this is one of the prompts that will appear. Once you type a chat with you say how can I help you, right? But we've going to be using this here we're going to write hello, let's say hello, 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 how, hello, comma, right? No, I think it's apostrophic, something like that. Yeah, yeah. Let's just say hello, how, welcome to our company, or rather, hello, welcome back. Let's just say welcome back, better for just simplicity. Hello, welcome back. So this is basically it. So I've told you earlier, you can use any AI model you feel like using it, but for now I think we'll be using ChatGPT 4, and which is very very okay. 4.0 we can you can also use, but I prefer ChatGPT 4.0 mini app. So remember, anything you are doing you have to save, so you are going to be save the changes. So I've saved it on my chatbot, that's AI chatbot, using Zapier. So as it's saving, so basically it has been saved, the changes has been saved. So basically, so let's go to the knowledge aspect of the AI. So I've told you earlier that we were going to be leverage on this all these buttons, or rather pages, on the AI chatbot at the back end side. So you click on the knowledge side. So knowledge, you can connect to as many knowledge, you can integrate this website like this to say you can get information from your, maybe from your website, or you can add your own knowledge. It could be web pages, it could be files, it could be tables. But for the purpose of this class, we are not going to be have using any knowledge from any sources. We are going to be using the knowledge from the instructions earlier we've typed. So logic, how the AI should, should behave, how the AI should think. So request, you can, connect it. This is for pro features, people that are pros. And buttons, how did the buttons supposed to look like how the button is supposed to look like. So respond, the user get a response, yeah, possibly. So button text, all of that. So you can basically create a logic. So all these are not necessary. The terms are have been, I've told you how to create AI without coding. So basically all these things have been programmed to, to be there for you, to just, all you have to do is put the instructions and do some manipulation, and that's all. So we go for the things. You can also change the theme. You can put a picture of your company if needed. So let me just try and see if I can see Amo Enterprise picture in my PC, so I could be able to change it to my to the picture. Oh, I don't have any. So basically, if not, I will have customized it. I don't have the picture currently on my PC, so I'm going to neglect that. Basically, you can select a file and then put it to make it more customizable. So the themes, the color of the themes, the images you want it, the logo you want. Well, basically, I'll be using this logo for my item, that is for the AI chatbot. So integration, you can basically integrate it to your Slack or Facebook or Gmail or Zindex, or you can even build it from the scratch. Just depend on how you want to integrate it. So basically, you can integrate it to your Slack to reply to, messages in channels and threads. Facebook, let's say from someone in messages on Facebook, the AI chatbot is directly, even you are not online, the AI chatbot can take care of anything. Even in your Gmail, you can respond to emails, and you can also draft some emails to respond for you, based on on the response, the prompts you giving it in the back end. So basically, you don't need to handle all these things. You can just be sleeping and your AI chatbot is replying and then do all the works. All you have to do is take the actions when you are needed. So settings, you can come to the settings, you can change anything about here. So basically, ask the AI can just ask me anything. So you can decide to to use Yeah, this is called placeholder. What you see when AI chatbot is, so you can decide to 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 like, okay, let's say this is you can decide to change this thing Amo Enterprise, or rather all these ask me anything. You can decide to change it to uh what, yeah, what Amo, sorry, what Amo Enterprise services, what Amo Enterprises services is all about. Yes, what Amo Enterprise services is all about. So you click on it, you click on it. So basically this is, and then let's say the domain, let's say the domain name, what will appear as the domain name. So basically it's going to be the domain name will be, what am I going to name it? It could be something, maybe they just say, yeah, Amo Enterprise. Yes, Amo Enterprise, that's all. Amo Enterprise. Amo Enterprise. So this is my domain name. I've told you earlier, you anything you change or you modified on this Zapier's AI, you need basically to update it or save the changes to allow the changes to reflect on the front end. Otherwise, if you didn't save it on the back end, the front end is not going to be reflective. That is to say, the changes you made will not work. So basically we've done with this aspect of this. So we can come to conversation like, okay, let's say you've integrated or this AI in your WhatsApp or your Gmail or your Zendex or your Slacks, and the responses people that have interacted. So you can come to this conversation and check how many people have integrated, how many people have respond to your messages or prompt your chatbot. So this is where you find it. For now you see that nobody have responded or there's no conversation with our chatbot based on we've not published it already. So you can also come to analytics and then find out conversation messages, links, like how many people click it, and the use of keywords, how many, what are the most frequently asked stuff that uh, people ask about your company or your startup or anything. So basically we'll go back to let's see the practical aspect how this AI works now. So basically you can type, okay, let's say, so this is how our AI chatbot look like. This is how the chatbot looks like. We can decide to change this thing to let's say Amo chatbot. Yes, I think that would be much more better. That would be much more better. So let's see Amo enterprise chatbot. You or let's just say Amo support, Amo support AI chatbot here. Amo chatbot. So save the changes. So uh, it's loading. It's like it's my network is kind of slow. So chatbot. Is that the space chatbot? No. I it's wrong. I think I misspelled the chatbot. So let me edit it. Yes, I think this is how this space chatbot. Right? Beautiful. So I will also So basically this is how the the, this. So let's say for instance, this is your chatbot in you work on it. So let's test it, this chatbot. Okay, let's say uh, what is Amo Enterprise, right? Service. Amo Enterprise service, right? We type on it, and our chatbot is kind of working. Yes. So basically, you asked about what is Amo Enterprise, right? Like what is Amo Enterprise services? So the chatbot. You see the chatbot we created is now responding just easy without coding, without anything. The chatbot is just working. So you see, Amo Enterprise is your trusted partner for a variety of services, primarily focus on color printing, on all of that. So you see, this is our okay. Let's ask in a prompt again. Let's ask this our chatbot another question. Let's say any random question. Let's say how much. Let's yeah, how much is color printing? Color, I think colored printing per page to see how this AI is going to respond. Our chatbot. So basically, say our color printing service is 100 naira per page. This is competitive rate compared to 200 naira at the community market. So this chatbot is great. Like you don't need coding to create this AI chatbot. This AI chatbot is a one to go AI chatbot that you can be able to create it and then integrate it to your maybe to your website, to your to your Gmail, to your Zandex, to your you know Facebook, and then your respond. Once they respond, the customer prompt it and boom is going to respond it. So basically we are going to publish our chatbot. So let's publish it and see. So we're going to publish, this is the publish link. You can literally share the link. So basically anyone with access can also copy it. So let's say we copied our this thing, our link, then cancel it. So this is the chatbot is loading. So this is how to create AI chatbot without coding on Zapier. So do not forget to like our videos on YouTube and turn off the notification bells for more videos like this. You can let me know in the comment the next video I'm going to make for you on this channel, BazeLearning Academic. uh, Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and also share this video with your friends to know how to create AI chatbot for free without coding. Thank you.